Welcome guys. I wanted to shoot this quick vlog. We're a little bit short-handed today, so I'm fixing some harnesses, and I thought I would record this. Make sure when you fix anything on your truck yourself, or you have somebody fixing electrical issues, that they do it right from the beginning, because as of right now I'm trying to fix somebody else's bad quick fixes, and it's just taking a little bit more time. And so what the problem was, when we hooked up to the trailer, all the lights went out, and we kind of tracked it back to the main harness. So when I started going under the truck checking what was happening, I saw a lot of bushery, and I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of crazy like cut up harness and not really fixed properly. So I have to find where the issue is and fix the whole harness. So I enjoy it. It's relaxing to me, but from the beginning, just make sure that if you do fix your own stuff, just do it right. Don't put electrical tape on it. Use connectors and do it the right way. It's gonna save you a lot of headaches. So yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm working here, and do it right from the beginning. Don't half-ass, and check if mechanics did it the right way from the start. These lights can be a big headache. All right, drive safe, be careful, and talk to you soon.